Hi guys, Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus BTS edition launched. My name is Srinivas, welcome to my channel Technical Vihant. So we are going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus BTS edition come with the purple accents, a purple charging case and BTS logo. If we talk about the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G BTS edition and the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus BTS edition will be up for pre-orders on Samsung.com from June 19th in various markets. The three devices will go up on sale starting July 9. That also makes as the 7th anniversary of the BTS fan collective. Coming to the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus BTS edition, they are up for pre-orders right away via Weverse shop in the US and South Korean markets. On Weverse shop, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus BTS edition are priced at roughly rupees 15,200. If we talk about or if you recall, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus features a 6.7-inch Infinity O dynamic AMOLED 2x display and it is powered by Samsung Exynos 990 coupled with 8GB RAM. Additionally, the phone has a triple rear cameras and a single 10 megapixel front cameras for selfie and video calling. The Galaxy S20 Plus packs a 4500 mAh battery and runs Android 10 with One UI 2.1 on top. Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus come with 3 mics, 1 inner and 2 outer, improved noise isolation and support for ambient sound technology. The pair is equipped with a two-way speaker system with 1 tweeter and 1 woofer. The Galaxy Buds Plus are AKG tuned and promise 11 hours of battery life. The earbuds pack 85 mAh battery and charging case is touted to add extra 11 hours of battery. To put things into the perspective on how fast the charging is, the Samsung says that just 3 minutes of charging will offer a full hour of play. The Galaxy Buds Plus offer QI wireless charging, standard Bluetooth V5 and IPX2 rating. So what do you guys think? Please let me know in the comment section below. For my latest videos on tech and gadgets, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.